So sure, if you can understand them. The Puranas are not always easy to decipher, particularly when it comes to topics such as cosmology. And that's not because they are being deliberately obtuse, it's because they are speaking it to the topic of cosmology from different perspectives. And sometimes when we try and collaborate those different perspectives, that can become a little confusing. For example, in some Vedic texts, it talks about the earth being the center. And in other texts, it talks about the sun being the center. And from a reasonably naive point of view, that can seem contradictory and therefore confusing. But of course, if you think about it from the perspective of physics, then obviously you can have different perspectives. You can have a geocentric perspective and description of the universe, and you can have a solar-centric perspective and description of the universe. So these are not necessarily or at all contradictory, but they require a certain degree of understanding of the context of what that particular Vedic scripture is trying to do in its explanation of that aspect of cosmology.